Warji momen wemele karamra jerngam constituency matagasngi ulapli patpa yaka tipse sub center kawai na kashnong kapadan hakathan ramprai. Wemele kumukongsan ulapli pada yo mau so anam jong kete jaka sumar nongpang bat hakajo kapor ulayo ruban kap yo ribon kum kadak jingple hakabalai donlang ru uba I lingdo MCS Dr. Meripa El Solia DM and HO West Khas Hills District kum ki sembut kongsan. Tipse sub center letay lengba kajingbay pisa naga scheme jong ka PM ABHIM hag jinglut abakot chaka sanpus san lak tingka pat la ong shushu ba yakate ke jaka la asobha de ka kong twelina thongni bat ka jingyo yakate ka sub center hadu pratli ki shnong kinyo jingmentoy ka bakraw ha ka ba ki pa nongshong shnong jongate ka than nangni shakmat kin nom don kam chu ban pha sumar chadu chayo rambrai thip se HWC ringkat ka wa lingdo HWC ki de ki atli ki sub center bla panyat da ka Hans Foundation ka West Khas Hills District bat ka THF kala thong ye ki tray hakini ki sub center par kala penbiang ru ye ki babun ki tiar hakini ki jaka ajing sumar ya ga jingelang la pelong haplau jong te ki jaka ajing sumar nongpang par la penya ye ki jingelang dauba el thongni kum usong penor ha te ki singi
sub center la beli keteng dong isu kesma tan mendagasngi katinu tarik mulai Oktober 2025
답주이다. Lembaga Sinong, Syaka Sorka, Nakabenta Bangini Oban Pensina, Yakanika, Sob Sentang, Kaba. I want to encourage myself, as I have already told in Kasimo, Lord took the men and put them in the Garden of Eden to work and take care of it. Let us regard this sub-center as the Eden garden. Blessing is there. If you work well, there will be blessing. If you commit your service to this sub-center, then you will get blessing from the above, and take care of it. What are the problems here? You take care of it. Blames will come in Langdongda area. I have given 2 rods, but newspaper like me, momento naduba job election claim one shoe on tarutan, I have given road. Even then, blame is there. You may work well, but blame will be there. If you inject that nicely, so he's not expert, like this also may be there. Many things will come. If you have given good dawai also, that one the wrong dawai, I think. Maybe like this also, but you have to welcome all these things. You can eat all the fruits from the Eden garden, but not the fruit of the middle one. If you eat it, you'll die. Like this, no? Now I request, you can go to marriage ceremony, no problem. You can go to funeral service, no problem. You can go to the church, also no problem. You can go, whatever program you have, you can go. But according to this word, you can eat everything, but not the middle one. Since God had appointed you as a messenger and God's servant here, you have to be very careful your duty. After completing your duty, you can go to marriage ceremony. After completing your duty, you can go to funeral service. After completing your duty, you can go to the Jingasing church service also, no problem. But according to this one, since God had already appointed you as a government worker, you have to be very careful, you have to work well, If you work well, there will be blessing. If you do not work well, there will be curse. As Adam and Eve, no? God had commanded them to work and take care of all the gardens of Eden Keper. But they neglected their duty. Whatever God commanded not to eat, they had eaten that one. After that, they had been out from the Eden garden. And then they had been cursed also because they didn't obey the God's commandment. So, departmental instruction is there. Duty they have already allotted you. Some instruction also there. So you have to obey the instruction of the department. You have to obey the duty, whatever you can do. So you have to do well. You may hold the big post, director post also you may hold. But if you don't work well, there will be no blessing. But you may hold on a small post also. But if you work sincerely and faithfully, then there will be blessing. But if you don't do your duty carefully and sincerely, then there will be curse. Like this. Fear God and keep His commandment. Fear God and keep His commandment. For that is the whole duty of everyone.